guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another wig review. So I just got my wig today and I haven't opened it, so I'm so excited. Let's see how it is. So here's the wig. Ooh, I'm so excited. It comes inside this very nice little zip bag. It's really cute, I like it. And then it comes with another bag with some wig caps. And this wig is from Lucyhairwig. And this is, it just tells you how to take care of the wig or whatever. Look at y'all. Look at, oh my god. And this time I did get a front lace wig, so hopefully it looks better, and I really love it. It doesn't look like a wig, like it's not super shiny, which I love, but look at how long. I'm honestly so excited. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. So here is the lace wig. Super cute. The lace is all around the forehead, and to the center, so you could do like a middle part or whatever. And then it has the little clips, and yeah, I really like it. And it has the little things to adjust it in the back. So let me put on. I love it way more than the first wig that I got, which that wig wasn't a lace front wig. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm out of breath. Oh my god, but it's so pretty. Cut the lace. Now I'm gonna just put it on. And this wig is the purple one. I'll link it down below just in case you guys want to check it out. It is kind of like straight wavy. It kind of does shed a bit. Let me see. Let me put the mirror right here in it. And then once I do like cut it and put little baby hairs, it's gonna look a lot better. This is how it looks with just cutting the lace. See, it looks pretty freaking good. I just need to do better at this. This side you could cut it and then like glue it. I'm not gluing it right now, but this is how it looks up close. Super cute. I really love it. I don't know if I'll cut it, but so far I really love it. It was about like $30. It is more expensive than the first wig, and I'll show you the first wig. This is the first wig that I got. It's a lot cheaper, and yeah, I like this one, but I wouldn't wear it out in public. I think I would wear this one a lot more, and I honestly can't wait to wear it because I just think it looks so freaking good. I just need to fix it, obviously, make it all cute and whatnot. It's really thick and I love it. It's not as shiny as this one, I would say. It looks a lot more nicer, and yeah, so I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. I really love it, honestly. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at myself. And I believe on this wig you could use light heat, so I'm definitely gonna use heat. Able to wash this wig And also I could use yeah, they say I could use curler and I could use a straightener, just not super hot. So I definitely could style this wig and I love it. Oh my god, honestly this is life. I'm still new at wigs, so I definitely need to play around with this one a lot more, and go check out Wigs because it's an easy way. Like me, I want to dye my hair, but I also don't want to damage it because right now I'm kind of like debating on what to do with my hair. So yeah, like I'm like, should I cut it? Should I let it grow? Should I color it? Should I shave it or everything? I don't know. So Wigs really helped me change up my style, so I'm super excited for this wig. Oh, I love it. But yeah, so I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I think it is worth it. Yes, of this, and I really recommend it. It's going to be down below in the description box, and yeah, it's from Amazon. I don't know if I'll cut the wig, but I really like this length. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and also I really want to start doing like videos where I really want to have other people come to my channel and talk about topics. So let me know what subjects and topics you guys would like for us to talk about. I do have some ideas, so I'm gonna see if people are interested in being in my videos. And until next time, I'll see you next time.